Hello, today I'll explain how to create journal voucher with input VAT entry in Vatrix POS or ERP system. So for that, first go to procurement, click on supplier master. Now enter the supplier name here as Emirates Telecommunication. Now enter the payment terms, cash or card. Now enter the TRN number here. Also you can add all other details if you have. Then click on create new supplier below. Now go back, go to finance account master to create expense. In account description, you can write expense name as the telephone expense. Click on account type as expense, or you can select asset, income or equity as well. Then add account category as direct or indirect. Now click on create new account below. Okay. Now go to finance, journal voucher. In first row, select the expense as main account. Write the amount. Add the narration. You can add the VAT input here in the second row. Select sub account as supplier name. Write the VAT amount. Okay, write the narration. And now you can press enter or tab button to continue in second row so that form will open the VAT details. So in this form, you can put the taxable amount and also you can cross check tax amount and tax rate here. Now click on save. Now in the third row, select bank if you are paying from bank, or if you are paying from cash or petty cash, you can select cash. And also if you are paying from daily cash customer account, then you can select debtors as main account. So I'm selecting debtors here. Select customer name, cash or card. Write the amount here. Add narration. Then you can click on save and approve. So this way you can create journal voucher with input VAT entry in Vatrix POS or ERP system. Thank you.